What in the hell? Luca.
No! No! You're not allowed in here. No, you're not allowed in here. You know this. Don't laugh at me. You're not allowed in here and you know it. No!
Okay, that's ice cream. Say thank you. It's not apple. It's an ice cream cone.
As many of you know, Tiki often says, "Are you good, bird?" But sometimes she'll say, "Are you good?" And it sounds like she's about to say bird, but she doesn't. At first, I thought she was just being lazy and not finishing her sentences, but I was today years old when I learned that I was wrong.
You suck.
Are you good?
Oh, damn it.
Sorry.
I forgot. I don't care. That's some water. What now? Hello?
Hello?
Just quick out. There we go. Hang on.
Here we go.
Just
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Stinky Banana Panini Head, Pizza Face Banana Twinkie. That's you. Happy birthday to you. I love you. What's orange and sounds like a parrot? A carrot. Do you like my stupid bird jokes? Giz, can you turn around?
Why?
Because I want to see your handsome grey face.
Turn my back.
I love you. Ooh. What's so funny?
Burrs.
Your tea bag goes in the cup, okay? Ready?
I love Twinkies! Yeah. Oh. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
good boy. Where's my bird? Where's my bird? Where's my bird? Yes. I'm a good bird. You're a good bird. Yeah. I love you. Say bye-bye. He said, I love you.
Squawk.
Kiss mine. Come on. You're rude. You're rude.
Squawk.
You're rude.
My first love broke my heart for the first time, and I was like, baby, 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 ooh, like. Like, baby, baby, ooh. I thought you'd always be mine, mine. She made my heart pound. Let's see, we want to see her on the street and at school on the playground. But I really want to see her on the weekend. You know, she got me crazy because she was so amazing.
Okay.
Yeah, think of pancake. I love you. Can I see your foot? I'll peek you. Oh, look at that little beak. I love your little beak. Yeah. It's so wet. Here you go.
Give a kiss?
You want some?
Is like a stand-up comedian, but with a grumpy grandpa.
What's up?
We are Kyle and Emily,
Yeah.
and this is Gizmo's story for GeoBeats.
I'm Gizmo. Who are you?
He came from a couple that tried to rescue too many birds.
Ooh, let the birds out. Chirp, chirp.
They had no time.
Yeah.
So they concentrated on the birds that they had bonded with, and Gizmo wasn't one of those. He was in a room on his own, and the only form of attention he got is when he spoke.
Ooh.
He can't fly.
Damn it.
His muscles are not very strong due to him being in his cage for so long.
Birds don't walk.
Something about Gizmo just made us want him.
Peekaboo.
I see you.
Yeah, I know what's in your heart.
He spoke to my heart. I was the chosen one.
I loved you. I do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
After a month, he really started testing out everything with me. I let him make every single first move.
Kind of like the saga.
I never pushed him with anything.
All right.
After 3 months, we were fully bonded.
Be serious. Set timer.
He free roams. He can choose where he wants to go.
What you gonna do? Albert, Albert.
It was really interesting to see him be able to speak to us like a person would.
What you doing?
Watching you.
Oh, you're a couple eye.
We started realizing, wow, he was actually participating in conversation like in full contextual ways.
Peekaboo.
I see you.
Hi.
Hi, baby.
His number one favorite word, because he is highly food motivated, is want some.
Want some?
He will say that over and over on repeat, especially when we're eating dinner. Dogs beg. He's the same, but he literally speaks.
Want some? Oh. Snack.
He will ask for a statue, and he doesn't want a statue. He wants what we're eating.
You want a statue? Statue?
Each week, he'll have a whole vocabulary of his favorite words, and then it will change the next week.
Okay, it's fun. Okay. Hey, bud, what are you doing?
He's only said that 3 times since we've had him, and it's not been just repeating it. He's meant what he said.
He associates words appropriately to the emotion.
God damn it.
So when he's saying the bad word, he's saying it when he's mad or annoyed or upset in a way.
Karen.
And same with love and happy and funny. Those words all contribute to the emotion, which is like really smart on how he's able to use those.
Okay.
When we're going, he'll say goodbye, see you later.
Bye. See you later.
He says goodbye to the kids when they go to school. He knows. I don't know how.
Bye.
See you later.
My bond with him is the most beautiful thing I've ever experienced in my life, apart from my children.
I love you. I love you. Oh.
I unexpectedly lost my mum, and there's times where I'm upset and he knows and he feels it. On her birthday, we sung happy birthday for her, and I was crying and my kids are around me, and he did everything in his power just to make me laugh. He rescued me as much as I rescued him.
Cute.
Chirp, chirp.
We both healed each other's hearts.
Say hi.
Hi. Woo! You okay?
What's the matter?
He's brought so much joy and love.
You're being funny.
Sorry, get over.
He completed our family.
Bye, nerd.
Well, his name is Grayson. He is friendly, so if you'd like to pet him, you just pet his head from here to here. Just like that. Thank you.
I might just get another bird just so I can make my parents mad, so they'll hear it in the morning all day.
He's on TikTok.
He is?
He is.
What would be the name on TikTok?
It's Queen Anne's Animals.